first. You fit that on the hose, stick in the knot, fit here when you fit it, push all the way down, put that here, because this is like pressure. Check again. And remember, go even to the threads. Okay, and now 5/8 wrench. Tight it. Don't over tight anything, just, you know, with feel. This brass gonna break, gonna damage the thread, and you're gonna have headache to find another fitting or to remove that. Sometimes even you're gonna break it. Okay, see, check if it's loose. Nothing is tight, nothing is loose. Here, what I'm gonna do again, I'm gonna do check by hand. I like to check again with my hands. Nope. Okay, untie that so I can feel it. You don't want to over tie. You know what I'm doing there? I just want to check the other side. Okay, this is tight, over time. Even. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. See? And here's finish. We got the airbag. Right now what you have to do, you have to release the air. See, they extend very much because there's lift axle. And right now I lift the whole trailer up. Right now it's air leaking because I'm lower the trailer down right now. Only I don't feel any leakings here, no leaks. See? There is different part number. When it's a replacement for Hendrickson, it's match number when it's made by Goodyear. Okay, here we finish. We have to go start doing another thing. Okay, this is the finished product. Brand new airbags on the end. Goodyear, and that is right now a trailer. I'm gonna look for the part number. I think it's here something. 566263068. I don't know what this is the part number. Oh, it looked like, because I don't see any number. Here it's nothing. Only one number. We got new airbags. Yes, it was terrible because it was leaking on the rain. I'm happy with that, and right now I'm going to fix the shocks, check the seal leak, and have to regroove 2 tires, this one and this one, because the rest of them is brand new. 4 tires. Okay, we're gonna go check right now what's going on with the I know. Oh, I'm gonna show you. Okay, here is maybe the part number or the sticker. Oh wait, Goodyear air steering. Oh, maybe this is the part number. 1R13/118. Could be. Could be. I'm gonna show you the part number on the Hendrickson. That is right now we're 17.5 tires, and Hendrickson part number, it's here. C like Charlie 20128 or 1R 13144. You see the Hendrickson, it's metal, it's all steel, and here if you're gonna look for the hole, it's easy. On the Goodyear is a plastic and it's holes inside. It's hard to find the hole because you have to move the airbag back and forth everywhere. But this is the metal one, steel one, and you saw what kind of shape, you know, the dry cracking. And right now we have 2 brand new airbags and the lift axle. Yeah, this is after I put the trailer with the plates and the high plates where they're supposed to be the high. Right now it's the airbags sitting nice and flat. They're not expand. Used to be expand like that because I left the axle up and was the trailer was sitting on a, what they call, on 4x4s. It was a little bit higher, so I can replace the airbag. It's nothing leaking. You can hear it. You can't even hear anything. Nice. It's nice. No air leak. It was a little bit, you know, the worst is to remove the top bolt because it's rusted, and fit the bottom bolt on the bottom 2 bolts. Rest of them, it's easy. Right now we're gonna go to fix the shocks over there. It's gonna be a little bit challenge because it's no room to stick the hand to it. I'm tired because all of these bolts have to be removed from my shocks. I need the spacers. It's hard to get spacers. You have to buy the whole kit. I need 4 of this kit, 5 kits. It's $100 for the kit for the spacer. I need the spacer. I don't need the bolt. I just need the spacer. And you can't buy the spacer. You have to buy the whole thing. And the bolt, it's too short for mine. Because I say the trailer, it's too old. It's discontinued. So right now I'm gonna be fights. Okay, so we're gonna go right now to the shocks. Right now we're gonna see the shocks. The whole thing broke off, and we're gonna see what we can do with it.